Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. So, in the previous class, we have learned about the functions of the JavaScript and also along with that while loop, loops, and data objects and everything stuff, right? So, we will learn further right now in the next class is a complex functions, and along with that, we will learn data objects and also some few built-in methods. So let's discuss further. Let me comment this. So complex functions. So let's create a function with the name complex function with an argument of input. Inside the function we will give we will check the input with a condition whether it's a number or not. So I'll give if condition with the type of input should be equal to number, not string. So number, then I have to check the condition like let's say let result equal to an object because we are giving an object. So inside that we are giving input function, what we have given as a percent divided by 2 is equal to 0 or not. If equal to 0 means it's an even number, so I will give result dot type equal to even, or else we'll give result dot type equal to odd. Okay, so this is for checking even or not. Check the number which is even or odd. So after checking that, we will check another thing like if it is odd, check the number is divisible by 3. So for checking the number with divisible by 3, we have to use the same concept. Here we have to give 3. So result by divisible by equal to true we can give. Here we are using boolean, or else we can use false. So that what we are getting is true or not. Then we can give, what else we can give inside this one. We can create an array also, array creation for now on the input for looping. So right now till we have done if condition we have written, function we have written, and now we can do integrate the loop also, so that we can get a complex array. Means just I am giving as in this one as an empty array. Why I am giving these all complex things? Because You have to know what we have learned everything, right? I so constant element instead of that one we can simply I will write number array dot push of I. So I need node of this one. So what is dot push? I'll tell you. So after this, now I want result dot number array equal to number array, so that I can return a result. Okay. Now we will write else part for this return statement with error. In error I am selling input should be a number or else or it's not a number. So now we are calling this function. How we will call, like let result equal to complex function, where complex function I will give as 10 value for now, so that console.log of result. So let's see what it's given. Array is not defined, where here we are getting its array. Okay, array dot length, which is not defined. We are not giving array dot length, somewhat predefined one. So input we are giving here. So we can check errors like that also. Okay. Yeah, I think we got it. So this is the complex function I am saying. What I have given, simple C. I have given a function with a complex function name with a argument of input, where that input value will be 10, and we are checking the 10 inside this if else condition. If type of input is a number, you have to go to the if condition, or else it will show the string. So that, for example, if I given Santosh as a thing, now it shows input number is should be number. It's going to else case, not if case. Got it? So now it's going again, it's coming. So else case we got a clarity, and once we go to if case, I'm creating an empty object where we have to show all the things of this is an empty object. I'm showing all the things of type, number array, and all the thing. First of all, I'm checking the number. So it is divided by 2. I'm not given number is divided by 2 or not 0. If it's 2, it will be 0, right? Any number, it's a mathematical basic. Any number which is divided by 2 is if it is triple equal to 0, then it is an even number, or else we will show it is an odd. That's what we are getting it, and we got it type as even. Next we are checking it is divisible by 3 or not, and if it is 3, we are showing it as a true, or else it's not divisible by 3, we are showing it. So that's what we are giving it, divisible by 3 is a false, because 10 is not divisible by 3. After that, here we are using the looping, where we are taking an empty number array as an empty array, and we are looping it with I as initialization of 0, and we are less than our input of 10. So less than input and I plus plus until you show number array dot push of I. Means you are pushing the data into the empty array. For example, in the previous example we have seen console.log of I means 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 10, right? Here we are pushing that into this array. so that's why you're getting 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now we are result dot number array equal to number array. So we are what we are declaring, this number array we are declaring into result dot number array. That's it, and we are returning the result. So in the result what we have now, number array divisible by 3 and type. That is what we have. This is an object, and inside that we have the divisible by 3 and number array and type. For example, if it's odd only, we want to divisible by 3, then you can check directly, you can get it inside this. You can complex it and you can make it simpler, so that if it's even number only, it will show even, or else it will be divisible by 3, or else it won't be divisible by 3, right? So it will only show number array and even. For example, if you got 12, it will be divisible by 3, you will get the 3. See, it's divisible by 2, it's an even number. For example, I am giving a function with a number of 11. It's an odd number, but it's not divisible by 3. It should be divisible by 3, and also it's an odd number, so 15. Divisible by 3 and number of array, if you show 0 to 14, it will be there. If you want only number, so I can give up to 1 and less than or equal to input. Now if you show the open the expand it should 1 to 15. That's how it will be there. And here we can add, instead of function and all those things, I can say let constant function equal to, and here arrow. That's it, arrow function. That is an arrow function. So this is how we are giving a complex function. I hope you got it clarity. So push method I have told you, right? Inside this one we are pushing the data what we are getting inside this new array. Like first one is printing as 1, we are pushing into this array, and then 2 pushing that array. Like that we got the array of 1 2 3, 1 2 3, like that we got it. So now next we will go for the few built-in functions of an array. Built-in function for array operations. So let's check that thing. What is that? So there are a few built-in functions. How push method we have given, like that there are array method operations, or we can say array methods. Okay, these are few array methods we have. In that we have first thing, I can say with length. After that we can go with slice, we can go, what else we have, splice. This is an important question, remember, splice or slice, they will ask the difference. After that sort method. After that you can write reverse for reversing the string and all that. Unshift, shift, push we already written, right? So let's write here, but you will get and understand what is push and everything. So let's go one by one. What are these and everything. So first let's go with the length. So for example, constant a equal to empty array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 7 comma 10. So if you want to lengthing is nothing but console.log of count of this array variables what we have. So a dot length, we will keep it as a dot length. That's it. It will show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It should show 7. See, that is the length, nothing else. So that sometimes we will write a conditions if given array of length is greater than of this one or greater than 0. In real time we will write a checks, few checks means our flags, we will write it as a condition, nothing more than that. So these are the conditions we will write for the length. For example, if you, what is the side means, it's written the shallow copy of that one of a portion of an array. Let's constant, let's use the cars only which we have used, or Audi, BMW, Volvo, Ferrari. So these are the 4 cars. Okay, now for example, constant sliced cars, just I'm giving as a name, don't think it's in a, like a, we have to give slice only. Here we have to give slice of function 1 comma 3. Okay, what is the meaning of 1 comma 3? Here you are making as 1 and 3, means after 1 what we are having, you are getting all the data. So for example, console.log of, once you get it, you can see sliced cars, see BMW, Volvo. So what you're saying, this is the 1 value. 1 means the first index. So first index what we have, we will call that, and after that we are slicing the data what we have, and you are getting it BMW, Volvo. That is what slice. So splice means nothing but changes the content of array by removing or replacing existing elements. Means for example, if you want to change any content of an array, like for example, I have splice and 1 comma 1 comma, instead of BMW I want to add bench. Once, now check it, somewhere we have done, I think. We no need of this, we have to console the thing, this one only. See, now we have replaced it with the bench. Means splice means replacing the original array. Previously same like how we have shown shallow copy, deep copy, like that only the concept, but here these are built-in functions, nothing more than that. So another one is like we have 23 comma 44 comma 34, and here you want to use the sort method. So I think we can't use in the console. Let's grab that and use that console. Here sort method and here a. So now it should work. Constant a, constant short, $110. Okay, give me a second. Sorting. So how it is setting sort? So here we have array with a sorting method. Okay, for example, it's not ascending, right? We are sorting the methods. So once we get it, we can show. See, 1 1 we are getting, 1 0 we are getting, 2 2 is getting, 2 3 is getting, 3 3 is getting, 3 4 is getting, 4 4 6 7. Sorting is nothing but the numbers which will give it the order. That's it, including it will repeat it. See, here it's a 1 2 3 here backside, but here we have. So it will sort whatever the starting numbers with the 1, we will get it one place, and 2 next place, 3 next place, 4 next place, like that. Okay, for example, if you want that sorting in a reverse order, which is a reverse function, we'll use dot reverse, which is a function, so that you have to give the parentheses. Okay, now see 7 6 4 4 3 4 3 3 2 3 in reverse order, nothing more than that, just sorting reverse. We are using, first we are sorting the values and then we are using the reverse. That is the only difference. And now if you want to shift, unshift or shift, what is the meaning of unshift? Means, first of all, if you want to add, means like adding one or more elements at the beginning of an array, that is called an unshift. For example, see, you got an a value, now a dot unshift of, what you can see, unshift of 56. Okay, 56 we have. Now see, the first one we got is 56. If you want, it's an order, so that you can do a dot unshift of 56, so that you are adding it in the 56, then you are sorting it, then you are reversing that thing. So, somewhere we have done, oh, we have to make it here, a dot. Now if you see 7 6 56 54 14 in reverse order, so that's how we will use reverse order. Shifting is like same, but removes the first element, that's it. Now for example, now you got everything order and you want to remove the letter number now 7, a dot shift, you'll use the shift with a function, and if you see, there is no letter number 7 at all, that is the 7th thing. So these are the things which we call as built-in functions of these are the most frequently we will use. Apart from that, remaining we will there are n number of built-in features. Every year, every month we will get a new updated version of JS, but these are the most frequent and frequently we are using these things. So another one concept which I want to show is date function. Nothing, date function means with the help of date we are printing the things, that's it. Means we are printing, how, see, we are getting date, right? Monday 2000 January 3:45 AM, all things. So this is called date function. So here the date will be like predefined dot object. So for example, constant get current date, let's date time equal to, we will use arrow function, so that you will get habituated for that. So inside the function you have to write where current time, current date, sorry, first of all we have to grab the date, you'll have to use the date function. What is that? This is the built-in feature of another one where we are using. So if you want everything in detail, like year, date, month, time, like that, you can use current date dot full year is one function, month as one function, where day as get date is another function, hours also you can get current date dot get hours. These are all the built-in functions. See, get hours, get millisecond, where minutes, current date dot, these are the, see, all the built-in functions. So get minutes is another function. So once we got all the data, means like these are all the values which we'll get from the date function, which an object. So once we get it, we'll format the date. So format, how we need it, date and time, For now I'm writing it here like this. So where formatted date time equal to, we can give like year plus of same string manipulation. So here hyphen we will give, after that add leading zero, add leading zero, which will write a function. For now we can give here of month. Again let's copy this. For now we will use here paste, so month, and after that date. Oh, after what is month, after the day it will be, right? After day hour, after hour minutes. I think we have done up to minutes only, so till minutes it's sufficient. So this is how we have done till now. Now we are returning the variables what we have done. So returning the formatted date time. So once we call this function, before that we have created one function, right? So constant add leading zero equal to, here inside this we will write return what we are sending here inside number 10 number. So this is another case, what I can say, if condition. This is called ternary operator, where if number less than 10 you have to show 0 plus number or else number. That's it. Else case we are using this one, and if flower basis we are using this one, and this is the condition. That's it. Instead of writing this much of if, less, and all these things, this is the most advanced. I said you right, most frequently we will use this one only. So console.log off, what is the function name, get current time with the function calling of. So now we can check return number, formatted date, year, of place with adding leading zero, of month plus adding leading zero of day, what we are getting it. Let me explain in the first onwards. So here we are calling date. Okay, you got it right. So here we are calling get current date time, date time with a function. So inside the function what we are doing, we are creating the new date object, where a year is the current year of get function, month is also like that. Plus one means it will take from 0 to 1, right? So we are making it 0 instead of 1, means 1 instead of 0 for the index of array. So that after the day, hour, minutes. So now we are formatting the date time. Formatted date time is equal to year plus we are giving hyphen for better viewpoint and adding 0 of number of month plus and day plus hour and minutes. So we are returning that one. Okay, and the function is adding 0 within number. I think we are not calling that number. Okay, return here we have to give. Now we are done. See, so this is the time 3:49 is the time of date 29/1/2024. That is our date function. We are showing it. If you want the seconds also, we can grab that with the help of copying these, and we can write paste here with seconds, where the seconds we have to declare here. We have to declare from the seconds equal to current seconds. Now you will get the seconds also. So again, if you check, again if you reload, the seconds will change. See, 8 seconds. Again if reload, 11 seconds. That is how the function. So I hope you got the everything what I have we learned till now with the functions. So next class we will integrate with the HTML, which is called DOM manipulation. Thank you.